Welcome to Nalini Chandra's kitchen. Today we are going to make South Indian fish fry. We use frozen kingfish for making South Indian fish fry. It is simple and tasty. After the fish is thawed, add 1 spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon salt, mix it well, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, then wash it. We need 2 big spoon of chili powder, half spoon turmeric powder, 1 spoon salt, 1 spoon coriander powder. Mix everything in the chili powder. Mix it well. Add it to the fish. Mix it well. Marinate it for 5 to 10 minutes. After heating the pan, add 2-3 spoons of oil. Place the fish pieces in the pan. We fried it for 10 minutes till it reaches golden brown. Keep it open to avoid burning. The fish fry is ready. It is very tasty and soft. If you want to have more spice, you can add 1 or 2 spoon chili powder.